Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about natural remedies for your hair. I love natural remedies. They're so good. They don't have side effects most of the times unless you're allergic to a particular ingredient. So make sure you do a patch test, and also if you're allergic to the food item when you eat it, don't use it on your scalp. Okay, since we've got that out of the way. And also I'm not a doctor or anything, you all know that. So let's get started. So the first natural ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is great for your hair and your skin and for everything. It's amazing. Aloe vera repairs damaged hair in the scalp and also nourishes your hair follicles. Have you seen an aloe vera leaf? If you cut it, it seals itself. Isn't that amazing? So if an aloe vera plant can seal itself, imagine what it can do to your hair and skin. Worth noting. Almond oil, one of the best oils to put in your hair. It's great for your scalp. Eating almonds is also good for your hair, by the way. Almond oil makes your hair stronger and it also treats scalp conditions. Your scalp is your root, is the source of where your hair grows, and you want to make sure that that source is healthy. So rice water has become a huge deal, like a major deal, and everybody's using rice water, especially when you've seen these Chinese women with long luscious hair, and everybody wants to have that hair. So how do we use rice water? So you put water into your rice bowl and then throw that water away, put in more water, and then you store that water into a bottle, a spray bottle, and then you spray it into your scalp. So this helps make your hair grow longer and more beautiful. So rice water has many vitamins and it stops your hair from hair breakage. So the next ingredient is curry leaves. Yes, curry leaves. So one day I was eating my food and I was leaving all the curry leaves aside, and my friend's mom was like, eat those curry leaves, it's good for your hair. And I finished all those curry leaves, and I used to never eat leaves before, but I finished all of them. And then she's like, this is how you get kids to eat their leaves. And she is right, because curry leaves are really good for your hair, and I never left out my curry leaves after that. So curry leaves are rich in antioxidants, and we all know that antioxidants are good for your hair, good for your skin, good for your health. It's just great. So curry leaves gives that to your hair. Curry leaves opens up clogged hair follicles, which is great, isn't it? Like, we put in a lot of product into our hair and we clog up our pores, and the hair follicle can't grow through those through all that grime that's on top of your scalp. So curry leaves opens up all of that and helps your hair follicle grow beautifully. So number 5 is vitamin E tablets. Vitamin E is so good for your hair. I use it myself. It's great. It has an oily texture. Let me warn you. It reduces hair fall and it tames frizzy hair. So for all of you who were talking about frizzy hair, vitamin E. On my last Q&A video, you asked me a question about taming frizzy hair. Vitamin E is great for that. The 6th ingredient is castor oil. Now wait. Castor oil is good for your eyebrows and your eyelashes, not for your scalp. Castor oil is a very thick oil, and It's great for your hair, but just your eyebrows and your eyelashes. But when you put it in your scalp, it is so thick on your hair that it could actually cause an entanglement in your hair, which you don't want. And you could use it like once in 3 months or something, but don't use it quite often. It's too thick for your scalp. You can use something like coconut oil, which I will get into. The 7th ingredient is amla. Amla is great for your hair. It reduces hair fall and dandruff. Isn't that amazing? Amla is rich in vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and it reduces premature graying. Yes, I personally have that problem, and a lot of people have that problem where your hair starts graying, and amla can help with that. Number 8, onion juice. Onion juice too helps reduce premature graying. But trust me, onion juice is great for your hair. Just like take out all the juice from your onion and get in there. You can mix your onion juice either with aloe vera or with coconut oil so that the mixture isn't too strong for your scalp. So sometimes, the onion juice can be a bit too strong for some people, so you can mix it with either aloe vera or coconut oil. Onion juice helps even with your itchy scalp. So if your scalp itches a lot, you can use onion juice to help stop that. So our 9th one is coconut oil. Every Indian girl's favorite, or every grandmother's favorite. So we all use coconut oil in our hair since childhood, and most of us ran away from coconut oil, including me. But coconut oil is actually good for you. Coconut oil can help your hair grow longer. It also reduces protein damage in your hair, and we all know how protein is so important for our hair. And also our hair gets damaged when we wash our hair, especially with very strong sulfate shampoos, which are not recommended at all. So using coconut oil can help stop that damage. And also coconut oil is great for dandruff. So if you have dandruff, coconut oil is great for you. So we're finally done with our video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it informative. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you want any clarifications. I love all of you. Mwah. And please like, share, subscribe. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.